Hey, how you holding up? Have you heard or seen this Modern Leasing MI Charge on your credit card and you wonder where it comes from, especially if you use Chase or several other credit card issuers out there and you got charged from Modern Leasing MI? Then today's video we're going to be discussing about this. Now, what you need to know about Modern Leasing MI is that they provide equipment leasing for anything from heavy machinery to medical equipment and vehicle fleets to copycat to deliver significant benefits for your business. Now, if your organization is looking to optimize depreciation and you also want to lower your monthly payment or monetize your assets, Modern Leasing has promised to offer you equipment leasing solution to help you boost your marketplace. Now, in case you've opted for Modern Leasing, then you can experience an unexpected charges occurring on your credit card. In case you wonder, the Modern Leasing charges is legitimate, but the only problem is that you might have not known that you've auto-renewed on your credit card for this company. Now, very quickly, let's talk about some things you can do whenever this unexpected charge should occur on your credit card from Modern Leasing. The first thing you want to do is to review your lease agreement. Now, take a thorough look at your lease agreement with Modern Leasing to understand if there are any clauses or terms that may explain the charges, because sometimes fees for maintenance, upgrades, or late payments may be outlined in the agreement. In case you've gone ahead to review this will help you to have thorough understanding of what you are up against. Also, contact Modern Leasing is the next thing you want to do. You should reach out to Modern Leasing customer service and promptly inquire about the charge, because they can provide clarity on why the charge occurred and whether they're legitimate. And make sure that you keep record of your communication for future reference, because by the time you go ahead and communicate with them, try as much as possible to record your calls or possibly keep data of your emails or communication with them. This way, in case they are not able to resolve it, you can easily go to your credit card issuer and you'll be able to get it fixed. Also, checking for errors is another important thing you want to put into consideration, because mistakes happens, so you can carefully scrutinize your credit card statement to ensure that the charges are accurate. If there are any discrepancies, you should notify your credit card issuer immediately to dispute the charges. Another one you want to put into consideration is to understand additional fees, because Modern Leasing might impose additional fees for services rendered or penalties for specific actions. So make sure that you familiarize yourself with your fee structure, and this can help you to anticipate and avoid such charges in the future. Another point I'm going to be making here is to negotiate or adjust payment terms. If the charges are legitimate but causing financial strain, then you can discuss with Modern Leasing about adjusting the payment terms or negotiating the fees, because they might be willing to work with you to find a mutual beneficial solution. You can also consider other alternative in case you realize that Modern Leasing is giving you some headache, and if you evaluate whether Modern Leasing is still the best option for your business, then kind of explore alternatives such as purchasing equipment outright or seeking financing from other sources, or you can lease from different providers with more transparent fee structure. So these are some of the things that I know that you can work with, and it can always help you to resolve this issue. Now let's talk about the reasons for this, because I'm supposed to even talk about the reasons why you might see some charges in your credit card from Modern Leasing. But I just want to go ahead to talk about that so that it can help people who might possibly be in a hurry to know what exactly they can do. What are some of the reasons that can cause this? The first one is maintenance and service fees, because charges for equipment maintenance, repairs, or additional service provided by Modern Leasing could appear on your credit card statement. Now, late payment penalties is also what causes charges on credit card from companies like Modern Leasing, because failure to make timely lease payments might result in penalties or late fees being charged to your credit card. Also, upgrades or add-ons can be another problem, because if you request upgrades or additional features for leased equipment, then Modern Leasing may charge you accordingly. Administrative fees is also another reason, because some leasing agreement includes administrative fees for processing paperwork or managing the lease account. Another reason that I know of is tax or insurance payments, because depending on the terms of the lease, then Modern Leasing might pass on tax or insurance expenses which can be related to the leased equipment to you. And miscellaneous charges is also another reason, because other unforeseen charges may stem from changes in market condition, so regulatory requirements or unexpected events affecting the lease asset might be a problem. And now, since you've been able to know the reasons and also you've been able to know what you should do when this kind of charge occurs from Modern Leasing MI, should we go ahead and just discuss a little bit about some possible solutions and implementation? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Now, some of the possible solutions and implementation is your clear communication. You need to ensure clear communication with Modern Leasing regarding the terms of the lease agreement and also any associated fees or charges. Budgeting and planning is also very important because you need to anticipate and budget for potential charges by incorporating them into your financial planning. Make sure that you regularly review your lease agreement and credit card statement to identify any discrepancies or unexpected charges promptly. I will also advise that you negotiate with them because sometimes negotiating skill is a good one that you can have as a customer, because when you develop negotiation skills to develop fees and charges with Modern Leasing, it helps you to find agreeable solutions rather than when other customers are getting charged, you are here enjoying benefits without getting charged. Another thing you might want to do is maybe whenever you're trying to make a purchase with Modern Leasing, you might want to pay with cash rather than credit card, because sometimes if you are using a credit card that you will be able to possibly make withdrawal, then you can go ahead and pay with cash rather than you using your credit card. Also, you can explore competitive options. Just like I said, research other leasing companies in case you are able to realize that Modern Leasing is still disturbing you and they're still charging you for your credit card, or possibly they're not finding solution. You can go ahead and explore other companies' fee structures, terms, and customer reviews to make an informed decision. Sometimes, in case you realize that you're getting charged too much and this company are still not taking any measure, or you've gone ahead to report to your credit card issuer like Chase or any other bank and you're still not getting solution, then go ahead and seek legal assistance, because this way they will be able to give you advice to understand your rights and opinions regarding unexpected charges, and you can use it to dispute the resolution with Modern Leasing, because you as a customer, you have your right and you shouldn't be abuse of your right. So if you realize that you are being abused of your right and you're being charged unexpectedly or unauthorized, then go ahead, seek legal assistance, and this way you will be able to solve the issue immediately. I believe this video has been helpful. Do you have any experience with Modern Leasing and you've been able to adopt some measures that work for you? Then let us know in the comment box, because I want this to be communicative between you and I, and also you will be able to help other people to make the best decision from your advice in the comment box. So if you have anything experience with this, guys, drop your comments in the box, and I'm certain that it will help a lot of people out there to make the best and informed decision. And also, if there's any advice from this video that has helped you out and it has helped you to get back your money, or possibly it has helped you from future problems and unforeseen circumstance for Modern Leasing, you can let us know in the comment box and come back to drop your thoughts in the comment box, and I'm certain that everybody will be able to learn from you, and any advice you have for other people can be dropped. It will help people to make a good decision. Thank you very much for your time. Is this video educative and informative? Then make sure that you hit the like button, and also make sure you share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card videos just like this. And I wish you the best of luck. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.